This is mama's cassava. Maybe this is the aunt's cassava.
Loplo is trying to pull the cassava.
Ay, gas, picture ko. Picture ba? Pisdita ng kilid.
Hmm.
Kanang kanang murag circle lang. Ah!
Loplo is trying to pull out because I don't have slipper because my slipper is broken. Key, try your best. Eh, count 1 to 3. Then pull.
1, 2, 3.
She cannot pull out
We cannot
the
pull this
cassava.
one. We cannot really pull this one because it's been raining. It's wet. It's easy to pull if it's not